In this video, I'll show you how you can edit your YouTube title, description, and tags on the YouTube app on any mobile device. So if you're a YouTuber and you only have a smartphone, this video is going to be useful for you, so let's jump into it. So what you need to do, you need to first go and download the YouTube app. If you haven't already, go and download the app, make sure it's updated, and then just open up the YouTube app. And just make sure you're logged into your channel. You can see in the top right hand corner, I'm logged in here. Once you're logged in, you need to click on your channel icon. You need to go to your channel, and that will obviously open up your channel. Now here you can see your videos, so you can either search for a specific video, or you can go to videos and you can just scroll through all of your videos. Now, if you want to go and edit the title, tags, or description of a video, you click on the three dots next to the video you want to edit, and then you click edit, and then you can edit the title here by clicking on the title and obviously editing it to however you want. If you want to edit the description, it's the box below it, so you can go and enter in whatever you want in the description. And then if you scroll all the way down, you'll see the tags. You can go and enter in more tags if you want to. And once you've changed everything, just make sure you click save in the top right hand corner, and that's pretty much all you've got to do.